Hi you guys, it's just our weekly video. I'm going to make this agenda a little bit larger so we can talk about it. But first we have our 2.4, 2.5 video notes, and you're going to complete this by working through your notes along with those videos within the slides. And then when you're all done with that, you're going to hit submit on that presentation that's in Schoology. The notes are linked in the folder. They're labeled 2.4, 2.5 video notes. If you did not or could not get up to the school to pick up your Chapter 2 packet, that's okay. I linked them there for you. You can download them to your computer and write on your screen. You can copy it down in a notebook, or if you have a printer at home, you could print them from home. Another option is if you hit print on the form and you hit for printer, you click on OneNote. That'll also allow it to send to OneNote, and then you can write on your screen in OneNote. So that's another option for you as well. After you complete your video notes, you're going to go to Big Ideas and you're going to do your 2.4, 2.5 homework. It's just one assignment. It's 14 problems. And so I just combine the two homeworks together. Then you're going to take a picture of your showing work page and you're going to submit that to Schoology. Remember, the only way that you can get a 3 out of 3 on your homework is if you complete the showing work page and you post that on Schoology. After you do that, you have your study guide. I have put your study guide on Schoology, and so you can download that. You can draw on your screen. If you hit print, again, you can click on the printer and you can click on OneNote, and that'll send it to OneNote. And so you can write on your screen on OneNote. You can write it down on a piece of paper, or if you have a printer, you can print that off. After you do that, you are going to do your practice test, and that is also located on Big Ideas. So that's kind of the game plan for this week. Here is the Zoom links. So if you need help with that study guide, if you need help with the homework, just click on the highlighted date. As long as it's around that time, I will be logged on to Zoom. So I will be on Zoom today from 9 to 9:45. As long as you're watching this on Wednesday, then I'll be on there from 9 to 9:45. Thursday and Friday from 10:30 to 11. And then if you ever cannot make any of those times, email me and we can set up a time on a Monday or Tuesday as well. So here's everything that you have to do. Here's those notes. I'm actually going to show you what that looks like for when you print it, maybe. Possibly. So you're going to click this download button, or you can hit print. This just does not want to do anything for me today. I'm so sorry. Well, anyway. Come on now. Okay, so if we download it, it'll work. When you hit download, and then you hit print, move myself out of the way here. If you click on the designation, you can scroll down to OneNote, and if you hit print, it'll pop up in your OneNote, and then you can write on the screen. So that's an option for you. Of course, now it shows up. We're going to go back to that folder. Here's your video notes. You'll submit those when you're all done. You have your showing work form for your homework. Here's that study guide. You can do the same thing that we did up here. If you hit print and hit print to OneNote, you can write on your screen. Here's my answer key to the study guide. I recommend doing the study guide first and then checking your answer with mine. And then here it tells you to go to Big Ideas for the practice test. Your question for this week, if you've made it this far in the video, to earn you some Links Bucks is to email me one thing that you could brag about yourself about, but you tend not to. For example, I do art outside of school. I actually get paid to do art outside of school. So I'm an artist. I tend not to talk about it. I tend not to show my artwork a whole lot, but that's something that I could brag about, but I normally don't. And so I want to hear about you guys. What could you brag about yourself, but you tend to not do it? So email me that answer and then get started with your work.